Yo, what's up, guys? Rohan Pinto with you, and I'm making this video right now to show you how to create an online course, okay, using ClickFunnels. Okay, and I want to show you this because I personally use ClickFunnels, okay, and this is a course that I have created using the software, and honestly, the software makes it super easy, you know. So I just want to show you what my finished product looks like. So this is a $1,000 passive income secrets course that I'm usually offering this for free for people who want to get started on making money online. Okay, so this is the introductory page where you can sign in. So you have your login over here, and you can see on the bottom here, powered by ClickFunnels. Okay, so this is a page that obviously you can edit. You can put your own logo, and you can edit all the text on this page to make it look whatever you want it to look like. Okay, so I'm gonna log in and show you the details inside. Okay, so okay. So now everything in here as well is all editable. Okay. But this is just to give you an idea of what your course will look like once you create it. Okay. So mainly you'll have a tab on the left side over here with all your sections. Okay. You can have individual sections and subsections. All right. you know it can also link with, like, I've hosted all my videos in Vimeo, and then I've just put a link in here. Okay, you can even do the same with YouTube and other video platforms. Okay, and why I use ClickFunnels is because it makes it super easy. I mean, I launched this whole thing in one day pretty much. Okay, there's about like 13 or 14 videos, and honestly, before I got started on how to make this video, like, I woke up that morning and honestly I didn't know how I was going to do it. But I just used a template in ClickFunnels and just edited it inside the template, and I launched it later that day. So it was pretty easy. And you can see here that there are all these buttons over here. So these are my affiliate links, obviously. But the software makes it so easy that you can just click these links over here, these buttons, and it links people to that respective page where you want them to go. Okay. And then inside each and every subsection you can have your logo here, for example, and you can have more buttons and also digital resources. So you have links to certain books that people can buy, links to other people's services maybe. And for example, you can also have links to certain downloads. So for example, you can have links to certain Facebook groups, my YouTube channel. I'm giving away certain funnels over here. All right. And another thing I want to show you is you can host PDFs as well. So these two buttons, okay, will have, when you click them, you'll be able to download certain PDFs. Now this PDFs, you can have them as digital assets in ClickFunnels. Okay, so you save the file and then you will get a unique link. You just put the link in this button, and when people click this button, they can download PDFs as well. So basically why I'm telling you this is, anybody who's looking to create an online course, okay, like life coaches, or authors, or anybody who wants to basically have a platform where you can reach out to a lot of people at the same time, and provide a course to them so that they can engage in some online learning, then this is a good example of a platform that you can use. Also, I mean, I'm not monetizing this course right now, but ClickFunnels can also have you set up a payment gateway on a page, just before you're taking them to the login page of this course. Okay, so you can have people pay. Okay, and then when their payment is confirmed, they can then be the login links can then be released to them. So you can monetize it through ClickFunnels as well, and that's the honestly the best way that you can use the software. So now let me give you a little bit of the information that's happening in the background. Okay, so honestly, if I click ClickFunnels over here, it links me to ClickFunnels directly. This is the sign up page. but I'll go into my own account. So this is my account now, and I'll show you the course creation funnel, what it looks like in the background. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm on the startup plan, which is the $97 per month. Okay, it gives me access to over 20 funnels. So this is one of the funnels. Okay, so one of the 20 funnels is an entire course. Okay, you also have, so if I click in the membership portal, you can also get information to the number of people that have signed up and their email addresses. Now I won't click that because I don't want to show you that. But yeah, you can get all the statistics, contacts, everything from here. And from settings as well, you can link domains if you want. So under domain, if you click here, if you integrate a domain into ClickFunnels, you can link the course to that domain. Okay. Let me show you a little bit about how you would go about editing, this funnel. So this is the membership portal. Okay, this is what it looks like. Here you have your individual sections. All right, and basically over here you have edit membership design. So if you go into this editor, it will edit your entire course. The overall design. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is the page that will stay constant in your entire course. So you can have whatever information you want over here. You can change out your logo. Okay, you can have whatever links you want over here, and these are all my support softwares that I use in my business. So I've left them as links so that it's easy for people to see and access. Okay, so according to that, you can tailor this particular funnel to fit your course needs. Okay, and yeah, that's it. This is basically what it looks like. Okay, so from here you'll set up your entire overall design, and then you go to each section and subsection to edit individual parts of your course. So for example, this is my introduction lesson. So I'll click open editor. So from here is where I'll put the link to the Vimeo video. Okay, so all my videos are in Vimeo. Okay, and if I click here directly onto the course, you can see here video type Vimeo. You can put a custom embed or Wistia, YouTube, Vimeo, whatever you want. Okay, enter the URL over here and then choose if you want it to autoplay or not, and size options and stuff like that. Okay, it's very, very easy. If you want to go into themes and change the outlook and stuff like that, you can easily do it. And some advanced settings, sizing and padding and all that stuff if you want. Okay, and you can put whatever text details from here. You can edit the text details from here. You're not limited to a heading and a subheading. You can add whatever you want, and then at the bottom below, if you want to say add a button, you can easily just click add a new row, one column. Okay, add a new element and add a button. It's honestly that easy. And then you edit this button by saying take me to YouTube, for example. Okay, and you can set the action to go to youtube.com when you click it, and you can choose to open in a new tab or the same window. So I mean, I just went through that small demo just to show you that it's so easy to edit this stuff and create your course, that somebody like me who didn't know how to launch it, I launched an entire recorded, set up the entire course on ClickFunnels and launched it all within about like 9 hours, in one day. So that's how easy ClickFunnels makes it to host your course if you're looking for a platform. Okay, and then launch it and take care of your contacts and whatever. Even your contacts, when your contacts come in here, you can set up an automation from here. Okay, and you can have some kind of triggers by email, SMS, or action. So basically when somebody logs in, creates an account and logs into the course, you can trigger that event by sending them an email welcoming them to your course, and probably providing them with some free resources or some bonuses, or I mean whatever it is, depending on what kind of niche your course is in and what you want to offer, your students. So yeah, so the goal of this whole video was to show you how easy it is to create a membership site. This can be honestly for anything. If you want to train people in, selling real estate, if you want to train people in health and fitness, if you're a health and fitness freelancer and you want to provide, um, you know, um, health and fitness videos, like different kinds of exercises or whatever, as a, add-on training to your, part of your service offering or whatever, you can do that. You want to just, teach English online, I mean, whatever it is, whatever you can think of. If you want to create a membership site or any kind of online training that you want to, show to your viewers or your followers or your students, this is honestly one of the most easiest ways that you can launch that for others. All you need to do then is, from this area, just provide them with two links. Okay, one is a secret sign up URL. So you provide this link to your potential clients or students so that they can create their account from there, and then all they need to do is keep visiting this login link. That's all. These are automatically generated for you. Okay, so honestly, that's how simple it is. And just to let you know, again, this is what your finished product would look like. Honestly, it's a great setup. You can completely redesign this whole thing. I kept it simple because I wasn't too particular about the cosmetic look of it. Okay, because it's a free course. I just wanted to get the content out there. That was my goal. But who knows, maybe later on in the future I'll make a paid version or something, and probably, design it a little bit better. But everything is editable in whatever way you want it to look like. So that's the main thing that I want you guys to know. So that's it from me then. I'll leave the link to this exact course below my video. So what you can do is you can directly copy paste this entire template into your ClickFunnels account. Okay, you'll have to have a ClickFunnels account for this. Okay, and then you can just go in and edit it to make things easier for you. Another option is that ClickFunnels usually is 97 per month for a 20 funnel limit, and then there is a $297 per month pricing package as well, with various other features like unlimited contacts, unlimited funnels. Um, you can have automated email and stuff like that. But if you click the link to this particular funnel, okay, it will end up becoming a share funnel, and through that link you can access a $19 per month plan as well. Okay, that plan is only for 3 funnels, not more than 5 pages each funnel. Okay, so luckily this funnel is only 2 pages right here. So you can access the $19 per month plan. So if you're new to ClickFunnels and you don't have ClickFunnels and you want to try it out, you can click the link to this funnel below. That will give you access to the $19 per month, and it will be free for the first 14 days. Okay, so you can use it, launch it, see what you feel, how easy it is to use, and then on the 13th day you can take a decision if you want to go ahead with it or not. Okay, so I'll leave my contact details at the bottom as well. Feel free to contact me if you need any help. And the best way to contact me is probably via Facebook, so I'll leave my Facebook profile link as well. Just contact me if you need any help, and I'll be happy to advise you, or suggest or help you with whatever questions you might have. All right, so thanks for tuning in, guys. See you.